Hi guys, my name is Atta and today's topic is global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, particularly the emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane CH4, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading in the variety of environmental impacts. Some key effects of global warming includes rising sea levels, melting ice caps, glacier contribute to higher sea levels, which can lead to coastal flooding and erosion. More extreme weather, increased temperatures can result in more frequent and severe events such as heat waves, storms, and heavy rainfall. Shifts in ecosystem. Many species may struggle to adapt to change temperatures and conditions, potentially leading to shifts in ecosystem and loss of biodiversity. Ocean acidification. Increased CO2 levels also lead to more acidic oceans, which can harm marine life, particularly organisms with calcium carbonate or shells or skeletons. Impact on human health. Higher temperatures and changing weather patterns can exacerbate health issues such as heat related illness, respiratory problems, and spread of disease. Addressing global warming involves reducing greenhouse gases emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and implementing adaptation strategies to maintain impact of climate change. International agreement like the Paris Agreement aim to unite countries in the effort to limit temperature rise and mitigate climate change effects. Certainly, greenhouse gas emissions from human activities are the primary driver of global warming. Several specific factors contribute to the problem. Burning fossil fuels. The combustion of coal, oil and natural gas for energy transportation release large amount of CO2 and other greenhouse gases into atmosphere. Deforestation. Cutting down forests for agriculture, logging or urban development reduces number of trees that can absorb CO2 while the decay of cut trees release stored carbon. Industrial processes. Many industrial activities such as cement production and chemical manufacturing emit gases like CO2 and methane. Agriculture. Agricultural practices contribute to global warming through the release of methane from enteric fermentation in ruminating animals and nitrous oxide and fertilized soil and manure management. Waste management. Landfill produce methane as organic waste decompose anaerobically and waste incineration emit CO2 and other pollutants. Land use changes. Besides deforestation, other land use such as draining wetlands, converting natural landscape to urban areas can release stored carbon and disruption natural carbon sinks. Energy production. The extraction, refining and burning of fossil fuels for energy not only emit greenhouse gases but also involve significant energy consumption and waste. Transportation. Vehicle ships and airplanes that rely on fossil fuels are major sources of CO2 and other pollutants. Land degradation. Activities like overgrazing, excessive irrigation, and unsustainable farming practices can lead to soil degradation and reduce carbon sequestration in soils. Permafrost thawing. Warming temperatures causes permafrost to thaw, releasing trapped methane and CO2, and which further accelerates global warming. Addressing global warming involves reducing greenhouse or gas emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, and improving energy efficiency, and implementing adaptation strategies to maintain the impact of climate change. International agreements like the Paris aim to unite countries in the effort to limit temperature rise and mitigate climatic changes. These factors interact in the complex ways, exacerbating the effects of global warming, making it a multi-challenge that requires a lot of uh, that requires a range of solutions. So global warming is a big problem We have to look for this.